Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds can stack back against the wall, but even
well, another day on the homestead, guys. Yesterday's video was pretty interesting. Found 2 snakes. Two. And yeah, just go back and watch the last video. But today's a new day. We had our first predator and we solved the problem as fast as we could. We built the brooder box 2.0. The first one was just random, to be honest, because we needed the space. But, well, this will be Dre's first time at the creek, showing the creek. So we own all this land right here and the land on this side. So, and it runs into a creek. Look at that cool rock. I have got to bring the 4-wheeler back here and go muddy.
I thought we did.
No, I mean like rip it up. Some fresh tracks. Somebody been back here.
We could take a pool here.
Really, dog?
It's cold. We could ride the 4-wheeler over here. It's not. You did.
Yeah, we did. We already rode the 4-wheeler back here.
You were at your
We
friend's
came
house.
back here to look and stuff. Look at her. Oh, MG. Well, we just got hurt, ain't it? Hey, get back here.
Shasha.
She's like, water? What? You gonna pee out here, bro? She is literally having fun. What the heck is going on? Well, safe to say after. Hey, you see the dog? They didn't even brush their hair today. This morning, rather. Safe to say we got the right property.
What?
Oh, something just ran across.
Oh, it's that was a tadpole.
Tadpole don't run.
It was small though. Maybe it's baby beaver. Oh, it's right there. Oh yeah.
Dang.
Oh, those are water bugs.
Get back over here.
Shasha.
Sasha. So now we have a kiddie pool for the ducks.
Let's go back to the creek.
She want to go back to the creek, boy. What?
She said she doesn't know what
Transportation she's going to take?
Yeah. I said,
Well, I was hoping to do a little bit of cleaning up around here since we've seen the 2 snakes. I really don't want these logs that we have right here pushed up on us. These right here, I kind of want to stack them neat, cut them up, just because of the snake. Like, literally, they could just be hiding in there. We have a brush over here that we need to get to. All of these are from clearing out. So I think we need to make us a log station. And we need to get some wood chips cut up. What you say? That'll be a good task for today.
but even consider it such, no, you'll stand tired. Sat and watched from the sidelines, one too many times. Wicked games to play, make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude, knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle.
Like always, I have a change of heart and a change of plan. And I go and start cutting down trees. As if I need to clean up more. But I had to cut down some trees because the Starlink needs that space right there. So this group of trees got to come down right here. It's blocking the Starlink. So, but I done popped the chainsaw already. So, and this chain is hot, so I'm not touching that right now. So let's mess with the ducks.
You can't have. I think we miscounted.
What do you mean?
There's 29 in here.
29? How many was there supposed to be?
28. It's not a big deal, but.
Don't tell me I put RIP up for a chick that ain't dead. Hold on, man.
First of all,
Ice, Spice, and Lotto?
Yeah. You ain't like my chicken names?
They're wonderful. I mean, it's better than Lila's suggestion of Pecker, so.
Check out our Facebook page
see this duck.
for the RIP chicken names. Dang, they just migrate and just sleep over there?
They're in the sun. They're baking.
All right, guys. Well, we gotta bail some water out to put over here if we're gonna put these ducks in there. Let's see if they can swim.
This is a cute little bucket. Yeah.
All right, where are you at, ducky, you lucky? Well, he fast too.
Yep.
Come here, buddy. Move, Sasha. Hey. I don't know if they like it or not. Look at them go. They're naturals. Hey, bud. You like the kid off of Toy Story.
She is not Sid.
Sid. Sid.
She's Donnie Thornberry.
Donnie Thornberry.
Careful.
Why is there corn in here?
Because Dada used the bag for
It's like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball. This is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but trust when I say that you got it. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come. Oh yes, it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promised land. Somebody loves you, please don't forget such. Take your time, no need to feel rushed.
Okay, so I think what we're going to do today is I made the little spot over there where we'll collect big logs, you know, ones that can be split and then maybe used for fire later. That way we can have ash and different things like that. But my wife wanted to create a dead hedge. So I think with this pile of brush that I got right here, whatever we can't use for wood chips, which you can hear the wood chip running right now, we'll just put that in the dead hedge, because you can only, anything over 3 inches we can't use. And then the big logs, you know, we'll use those for firewood and building things with. So we'll just stack those over there. So I think that's the plan. So let's get to it. In the shade, drinking a bottle of water because the post hole digger decided to get stuck twice.
Twice?
First time I got it out. Second time,
We did just get it out. Did he put it back in the hole he got it stuck in? Yes. Did we also break the trench shovel? Yes.
You broke it?
But we got it out. So there's that. It's hot. It's hot.
It's not broken.
It's broken.
let's finish this. You act like you don't want to get wet. Go get the tripod, man. Pick this up, man.
We gon' shine somehow one day. Word to O'Shea, today's been a good day. Don't let one bad apple spoil the tree. The fruits of our labor seem ripe, can't you see? see a little insight so they'll never dim your light. Been wrong for too long, this here feels so right. Leave your fears in the rear view, right now on the mission. Tryna stay the course on this road to redemption. Giving up seems tempting, but no need, cause I got you and you got me. A little UNITY will get us by. Through the storm and the rain, I'll be by your side. Look alive, the best has yet to come. Just some words of wisdom, plenty more. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead.
Okay, so we got our first fence part for our dead hedge that we're going to build off of all this stuff that we have down here. It's basically a fence that just rots over time. Pretty much. A bunch of leaves and branches. And that's the souvenir that's going to stay here. The broken shovel. Well, so wood chips, dead posts. Wood chips, dead posts. The bigger stuff will stack over there.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Let's go.
Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promise, yeah. And it may seem like things ain't working out, but I know we gon' find a way without a doubt. Just hold on a little longer, you gon' see this through. I've been there and certain things always remain true.
So we got a pretty decent amount of wood chips, and I think what we're going to do, because we want this to be full, is we're going to finish the rest of this pile up, but organize it all over here so that it's a nice size little gate. So let's see what we can do. But guys, we have cleared out that whole spot, and let me tell you, now we just got a pile that looks neat instead of just trees down. So from here it just looks like that. I mean, to me, I like it. You like it, babe?
The dead hedge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, something different. Some fencing that kind of saves money too at the same time. I mean, that's endless what you could build, or how many of these you could build. We could start a train all the way around, all the way up, which is probably what we're going to end up doing. But take a look at this thing, man. Like, come on now. Like, I like it. Alright, so we used the post digger and we dug holes on this side so we can start deadhead number 2, and it'll be a walkway. I got a whole bunch of stuff over here that needs to be cut up, deadheaded. All right, wood chipped or firewood. So we basically created ourselves a little system. That way we can get wood chips, we can create fencing, and then we have wood for fire. You know, we'll just have wood for fire. You know, there's a lot of things you can do with ashes. So that also could be used for like charcoal. I mean, whatever, when you burn it, whatever, for the pigs, in case they get sick, something like that. So yeah, I think we're going to end up, well, I'm probably going to end up finishing this tomorrow. I think Amber has to work tomorrow, so. But I appreciate y'all for watching. We did hit it, baby. Is that what it's called? Subscribe. You did all that crying for a chicken.
And then I did chicken. Need to close the lid before a snake gets in.